The liberal progressive thinking youth of India, the overwhelming majority of it, thinks of secularism as an idea which is a sacred cow, a holy cow of sorts, an idea which is virtuous, which was given to us or presented to us by our constitution makers themselves. Well, this cannot be further from the truth, because the time of formulation, the need of formulation of secularism as a concept was felt when kings and khalifas were using religion to gain legitimacy in the eyes of subjects they were ruling over. These were the times when kings and khalifas were using religion like Christianity and Islam to further their territorial claims, to further their territorial expansionist ideas. These were the times of crusades and jihad. These two concepts of crusades and jihad originate in Christianity and Islam respectively. And the expansionist dreams of kings and khalifas of those times are the reasons behind it. Therefore, formulation of term, a concept like secularism was the need of the hour of that time, of that particular society. So applying that concept on Indian society, where apart from Ashoka, you cannot name any significant Indian ruler who used religion to gain popular support in the eyes of the people he was ruling over. It is a ridiculous concept to adopt, and this was the opinion not just of me but of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar and Dr. Rajendra Prasad as well. At the time of drafting of Indian Constitution, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar and Dr. Rajendra Prasad vehemently opposed the inclusion of this concept of secularism in Indian Constitution. Therefore, you will not find mention of the term secularism in original Constitution of India. It was adopted in 1976. However, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was of the view that Indian Constitution, because contains provisions for upliftment of downtrodden of Indian society through positive discrimination, because sections of society who have been discriminated against in the past need a head start to come into the mainstream of Indian society. Concept like secularism cannot be adopted, because it will run contrary to the such provisions in the Indian Constitution. On the other hand, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was of the view that the concept of secularism has foreign origins and serves for the cause of foreign conditions, and that particular conditions of foreign nature. So adopting such a concept in India will lead to resentment in the coming future, and he was spot on with his prediction, because in current day and age the majority section of the Indian population feels that they are like outcasts in their own society, in their own country. Why do I say that? Because majority owned and run administered institutions are being taxed by the state, are being encroached upon by the state and the government, whereas the minority owned and administered institutions are being given a free run. This is the reason of huge resentment in the majority section of the population of this country. It is a reason for polarization of views of Indian society. Therefore, we need to take a review of the condition and rethink and debate over continuing with the concept of secularism in Indian Constitution. Thank you very much.